The journey of juice begins where fruit meets the morning light.
Every harvest starts with careful human judgment.
Harvest becomes a system long before machines appear.
The volume steadily builds, one layer at a time, as thousands of oranges settle naturally into the ventilated bins. Mechanization begins at the edge of the field.
Raw harvest prepares for its first journey. Harvest converges at a single point.
Precision protects freshness.
From soil to system, movement never stops.
Accountability starts before processing begins.
Every kilometer tests preparation and balance.
Transport depends on attention as much as machinery.
Compliance keeps the chain unbroken.
Distance turns fruit into raw material.
The harvest commits to its destination.
Harvest leaves the field and joins the wider system.
This is where farming hands over to industry. Transfer marks the start of processing custody. Order begins with placement. Scale defines capability. Design prepares for transformation.
Raw fruit enters the system. Gravity delivers the raw input. Motion organizes volume. Cleaning begins at the surface. Controlled agitation replaces handling. Water strips away the field. Cleanliness reveals condition. Human eyes remain critical. Only suitable material moves a credit. Uniformity supports efficiency. Sorting simplifies complexity. Technology verifies what eyes begin.
Decisions now move at machine speed.
Balance between clean and ready.
The fruit is now ready to become juice.
Processing begins where structure meets force. Alignment prepares for precision.
Machines replace hands.
Liquid potential becomes reality.
Separation defines efficiency. Movement preserves freshness.
Nothing is left unmanaged.
Flow is carefully controlled.
Refinement begins immediately. Clarity is engineered.
Volume is measured in real time. Control ensures consistency. Processing deepens beyond extraction.
Transformation begins with controlled temperature.
Precision replaces guesswork. Safety is engineered into motion.
Time completes what heat begins. Balance protects flavor.
Texture is refined under force. Consistency becomes visible.
Stability ensures sameness.
As the concentrate is added, the system monitors the bricks level in real time, stopping precisely when the target of 12.0 is achieved.
Numbers conform taste. Control meets containment. Precision defines quality.
Digital oversight maintains consistency.